Your phone battery's at 2%, your map is not loading, and suddenly you are lost.
Lost in a new city can feel scary, but we'll teach you how to ask for help, understand directions, and confirm you're going the right way using simple English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Every Day, where we make learning English easy, fun, and super practical. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Maya. I feel great today. I have my coffee and I am ready to learn with everyone. How about you? Any exciting plans for the weekend?
I'm feeling good too. I have my water and I'm excited because today's topic is something every traveler experiences at least once.
Yes, that moment when you stop walking, you look around, and you think,
Wait, where am I?
your phone battery's at 2%, your map is not loading, and suddenly you are lost.
Lost in a new city can feel scary. But Alex, it reminds me of a story. Do you have a funny getting lost story?
Oh, do I? I was in Kyoto, Japan, looking for a specific ramen shop. I had the address, but the streets were like a maze. I asked the man for help, but my Japanese was terrible. I think I asked him where the cat was instead of the shop.
The cat? Oh no, what did he do?
He was so kind. He looked confused, then smiled and pointed me towards a famous cat cafe down the street. I ended up drinking tea with 10 cats instead of eating ramen. It was memorable.
That is amazing. Did you ever find the ramen shop?
Eventually, yes. I had to use a translation app on my phone, and the second person I asked pointed me in the right direction. The ramen was worth it, but the cat cafe was an unexpected bonus.
That's hilarious. My story was in Rome. I was trying to find the Trevi Fountain. A local man gave me directions with a lot of hand gestures. He was so passionate, pointing and waving his hands. I thought I understood perfectly.
Right, a classic Italian direction.
Exactly. I walked for 20 minutes and ended up at a beautiful but very small local fountain in a quiet neighborhood. I was completely lost, but I discovered the best gelato shop of my life there.
See? Getting lost can be an adventure, but it's much less stressful when you have the right English tools.
And today, we're going to help you feel calm, confident, and ready for your own adventures.
Because today's lesson is Travel English for Asking Directions.
We'll teach you how to ask for help, understand directions, and confirm you're going the right way using simple English.
No long sentences.
Just clear, useful English you can use anywhere in the world. Before we begin, a quick message for our listeners.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to Learn English Every Day.
And share it with a friend who loves to travel or is learning English.
Okay, let's get lost safely.
Let's start with the most important word when you are lost. It is your key.
Your magic word. And that word is...
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
This is how you start politely. Remember to smile and make eye contact when you say it. It shows you're friendly.
That's a great point, Alex. Body language is so important. A warm smile makes people want to help you.
Right. So you say, excuse me, and it tells people you are polite and respectful. It works with anyone, young, old, busy, or friendly.
And you don't need perfect English after this. That simple, polite start opens the door for communication. Okay, let's pause for a quick question. Listeners, where do you want to travel?
Paris? London? Tokyo? New York? Write the city in the comments. We'd love to see your dream destinations. Okay, so you've said excuse me, you've smiled. What comes next?
Now we need our core direction words. The basics are super simple.
Only 3 words can help you a lot. Left
Right.
and straight. Let's practice. Repeat after us. Left,
Right.
straight.
Good. Sometimes people will say go straight or keep going straight. That just means don't turn. Just keep walking forward.
And like your story in Rome, Maya, people use their hands. Watch their hands. Listen to their voice. You don't need to understand every single word.
Exactly. Just catch the key words. Left, right, straight. But what if the directions are more complex? People often use landmarks. A landmark is an easy-to-see place, like a bank, a big red building, or a statue.
Right. So they might say, turn left at the traffic lights, or the museum is next to the post office. Let's learn a few of these helpful little words.
At the corner.
Across from.
And go past.
So if someone says go past the supermarket, it means you keep walking and you will see the supermarket, but you don't stop there.
That makes sense. These extra words give you a much clearer picture in your mind. Okay, now let's build a full question. The simplest way is a pattern.
Excuse me, where is the... Let's practice with a very important place. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Great! Other places you might need are the train station,
The bus stop.
the museum.
The hotel. Just put the name of the place you need at the end. Another useful question is, how do I get to the Eiffel Tower?
Ooh, that's a good one too. How do I get to is very natural. And remember, if you have a map or a picture on your phone, you can always point. Pointing is universal communication.
Now for a very important follow-up question. This question can save your feet a lot of walking.
Yes, the question is it far? Repeat after me. Is it far?
And people might give you a few different answers.
No, it's close. Or, it's just around the corner.
Yes, it's a bit far. Maybe a 20-minute walk.
Or my favorite, you can't miss it. This is an idiom. It means it's very easy to find.
That's very helpful information to have before you start walking for 30 minutes in the wrong direction.
Okay, Alex, are you ready to practice? Let's do a role play.
Perfect. I love role plays. This time, I am very lost in a big city, and you are a helpful local person.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, I am a little lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the City Art Museum.
Ah, okay, you're close. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks until you get to the main traffic lights.
2 blocks straight to the traffic lights. Okay.
Yes, at the lights, turn left. You will see a big library on the corner.
Turn left at the lights. Got it. Is it far from there?
No, not at all. Go past the library, and the museum is the next building. It's a big, modern building. You can't miss it.
So straight 2 blocks, left at the lights, and it's past the library.
You got it.
Oh, thank you so much. You saved me.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the museum. That was a great role play, Alex. But what if the place is too far to walk? It's important to know how to ask about public transportation.
Excellent point, Maya. Let's talk about getting around on buses, trains, or taxis. These are essential skills for any traveler.
Let's start with the basics. How do you ask for the nearest bus stop or train station?
It's very similar to asking for a place. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
And once you find the bus stop, you might need to ask which bus to take. You can ask, which bus goes to the city center?
Listeners, did you notice something there?
Alex used a fantastic pro tip. He confirmed the directions.
Yes, I repeated the directions back to Maya. So straight 2 blocks, left at the lights. This does 2 things. First, it shows you were listening carefully.
Which people appreciate. And second, it gives a person a chance to correct you if you made a mistake. Maybe you heard right, but they said left. Confirming is your secret weapon to avoid getting even more lost.
Exactly. A simple so and then repeating the key points can save you a lot of time. And always remember to say thank you. Politeness is key.
But what if you don't understand the directions? What if they speak too fast or with a strong accent?
That is a great question. It's okay to say you don't understand. You can say, I'm sorry, could you say that again, please?
Or even simpler, a little slower, please? Most people will understand and slow down for you. Don't pretend to understand when you don't. That is a recipe for disaster.
So true. It's much better to ask again than to walk in a circle for an hour. Okay, let's quickly review your new and improved travel toolkit.
Tool 1. The magic phrase, excuse me, with a smile.
Tool 2. Your key words. Left, right, straight, and landmark words like at the corner and next to.
Tool 3. Your question patterns. Where is the, or how do I get to?
Tool 4. The follow-up question. Is it far?
So I go left?
I'm sorry, a little slower, please? With just these tools, you can navigate any city in the world.
Finally, let's talk mindset, because the most important tool is your attitude.
Getting lost does not mean you failed. It doesn't mean your English is bad.
It means you are exploring, just like my gelato discovery in Rome. Sometimes the best places are found when you're lost.
Every single traveler gets lost, even us. And remember, every local person was once lost in their own city too.
So asking for directions is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of courage. You're practicing your English and connecting with a new place.
Be brave, be curious, and be okay with not knowing everything. That's what traveling is all about.
Now for your homework. We want you to practice.
In the comments, write one direction sentence using a landmark. For example, go straight, then turn right at the bank.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bus stop? We love reading your comments and seeing you practice.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Learn English Every Day. It helps us help more learners just like you.
Next time you're traveling and you feel lost, take a deep breath, smile, and remember.
You're not lost. You're on an adventure and you're learning.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.